This came from a store called Ollie's. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make mine more for like a vacation. I'm going to make this a beach theme. I have some greenery that I want to put around. I just pulled some greenery out of my stash, and we're going to see what kind of greenery we want on this. And we're going to use hot glue, and I'm just putting a little bit on there, but enough to hold it, okay? Okay, so this is what we have so far. That made just a huge difference in that project. Y'all, look at the ribbon with the pearls on it. This is from Hobby Lobby. They sell it by the yard. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do this bow. So I just decide how big I want my bow. I want my bow about that big. So I'm gonna make a loop like this. So I'm looping it around there. Then I'm gonna bring it down. Let's see, how am I doing this? Looping around there. And I'm gonna bring it here. Okay, I'm gonna call that good, because we're gonna have very short tails on it. So you see how I looped it all around. You can see on the back side, I just brought it around. Now what's gonna make it bunch in the middle is the zip tie. So we're gonna take a zip tie, we're gonna bring it around the back side. I'm holding it all with my fingers. I'm gonna bring it around the back side. We've gotta get those pearls in between everything for it to tighten right. And I'm starting to tighten it, okay? Now you can see how the front is doing. I like that. I want it to pinch like that. That's going to give me the look of my bow. But I want it to have a middle part too. So I moved it like that, okay? And I'm going to pinch it tight. And I'm going to make it as tight as I can. Yes, that's exactly what I want. And we're going to trim. I'm going to dovetail, but I'm not doing the turn. You know, where you bend the ribbon over. I'm very carefully dovetailing it. See the dovetail? Because of the pearls, okay? Okay, so here's our bow. Oh, that bow definitely needs to be above that. There we go. Now I see the perfect piece. This is going to go in the center of that bow. I love that it has the pearl on it. You guys, I love this. Oh my gosh. I have some pearls. Let's see what it looks like on the clip. We're going to do some pearls. I am loving the way it turned out. Y'all, I just love how this looks.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free printable sparkle quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.